What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Rari governance token RGT, which has gone through an incredible increase in value. As you can see, over 600% up in the last 24 hours, and it's currently trading at $1.16. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much, what is going on, is it time to invest into it? Is it too late? Is it risky right now? And also, on the other hand, if you're on a profit right now, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on? So yes, we are going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view, looking at what is the best option right now, and also looking at his prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto potentially go? Can it hit the $5 mark? And also looking at, is it a crypto worth investing into this year? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.5%, and of course we have RGT as the top gainer by far in the last 24 hours, as you can see, over nearly 700% up. So in the last hour itself, we managed to gain a massive 46%. And again, when looking at the hourly chart, I know a lot of you guys will be thinking, let me put some money into it right now and I can potentially make 50-100% over the next couple of hours. However, guys, it is a very risky time to get into RGT at the moment, as it is likely to drop back down in value, but we'll get into that very shortly. Over the last day, 700% up. Over the week, 550% up. We can see it hitting over nearly 1,000% up, guys, earlier today, this afternoon, as you can see, when it hit $2.13, nearly 1,000%. However, it has dropped quite a bit right now, and over the month it is just about 325% up. So what is the most amazing thing? As you guys can see, the trading volume has gone up over nearly 17,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $595,000. Again, even though the trading volume may not seem as much, the percentage increase is absolutely crazy, guys. A huge amount of people are looking into it right now. It's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and again, it's pumped up over nearly 700% over the last couple of hours. So a lot of people are looking into it. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. We're mainly seeing sellers taking out the profits, as you know, it's pumped up so much. We hardly see crypto doing this much percentage increase in a very short amount of time. So yes, it is a good time to take your money out if you're on a profit right now. I'm pretty sure, it's something that is absolutely crazy, and a lot of people are taking it at the moment. However, those of you guys who are investing into it, make sure your risk management is on point, because it is a very risky time to get into the crypto, especially those of you guys who are not looking into the project and basically purely going on the percentage increase, thinking you can make quick money over the next couple of hours. But make sure that you also know you can lose all your money as well over the next couple of hours. It is cryptocurrency, it is a very volatile market, so yeah, I can't stress it enough, guys. Do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of RGT, which is here in purple at 26 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in green at $1.41, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction, looking very positive. However, it's looking so steep, guys, it's not realistic. Only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow, I am expecting RGT to have dropped back down in value below the $1 mark, potentially hitting about 70 to 80 cents in target by midday tomorrow is what I'm expecting from RGT. And again, that doesn't mean it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to carry on pumping over the next couple of hours to around 170, 180, or even hitting $2 before it slowly starts to drop back down in value early hours tomorrow to tomorrow midday, dropping down below the $1 mark is what my predictions are at the moment. And again, these lines are looking very steep. Very likely we are going to see a similar pattern on the hourly chart, only because of the major increase that's taking place. And yes guys, we still got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, very positive over the next week or so. Once again, it's not realistic, and yes, I am once again expecting an overall drop in value from RGT over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting RGT to have dropped down to about 50 to 60 cents, or even lower than that, depending on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, dropping below 60 cents is what I'm expecting by midweek next week. And again guys, most days over the next 7-8 days is likely to hit red days, slowly dropping back down in value. Now let's move on to the daily chart. Again, I'm expecting it to look very steep as well. Yes, in fact, it is looking very steep, just like the previous two charts. Exact same reason applies there. This goes to the daily chart, which means over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm not expecting any major pumps or major increases in value. I'm expecting an overall drop again, guys. So by mid to late June 2023, I am expecting RGT to be trading around $1.10 to $1.20, somewhere in between there. But again, this pump is something that one of them ones where it just pumps out of nowhere, but is likely to drop back down in value over the next couple of hours and days as well. So that is what I mean by those of you guys who are in it for the short-term trade, make sure your risk management is on point, because it is very likely to drop back down in value. And again guys, this is something that has been going on not just on RGT, but we've seen a lot of cryptos doing that in the past, and most of them, or nearly all of them, have straight away dropped back down, and this is just another one. So guys, be careful out there when it comes to crypto, and especially RGT right now. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Rari governance token. As mentioned in the thumbnail, when is it likely to hit the $5 mark? Potentially towards the very end of the year or early next year is when I'm expecting RGT to be hitting the $5 mark. We're gonna have to give it enough time. Just because it's pumping right now, it doesn't mean it's gonna straight away, you know, fly out to $5. That's not possible. Well, it is possible, but it's very unlikely that's gonna happen. And I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. So for it to hit $5, is going to have to work its way up at a slow and steady pace. So potentially towards the very end of the year or early next year is when I'm expecting RGT to be hitting the $5 mark. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Rari governance token, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, what are your predictions? What are your takes on this pump? Are you guys investing? Are you guys selling? What is the highest figure of this crypto can hit in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish. And yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.